This quick tutorial will walk you through the configuration steps needed to set up AlphaFox's free RTTConfig tool with Falcon BMS 4.37. This tool can help simplify setting extraction parameters for MFDs and other panels in Falcon BMS. The tool was written and made freely available by AlphaFox over at the official Falcon BMS forum. The discussion post, which includes the link to download the RTTConfig tool, is linked in the description below. To install, double-click the executable. As this is downloaded software, Windows will go through its usual security checks. Accept the user agreement and pick an install location. I chose the directory where I installed BMS, but you can choose anywhere you'd like. When first launching the application, you will be presented with an error. RTTConfig was originally written for Falcon BMS 4.35, so we need to make a registry pointer to our BMS 4.37 install. Start the registry editor by going to the Start menu and typing Regedit. Navigate to H-key Local Machine, Software, WOW 6432 Node, Benchmark Sims. Right-click to create a new key and name it Falcon BMS 4.35, exactly as you see it here. Hit Enter. Right-click on that key you just created and make a new string value. Name the new string value base dir, again exactly as you see here, and hit Enter. Right-click on that string value and enter the path to your Falcon BMS 4.37 base directory and hit OK. Note that yours will most likely be different than what you see here. Close Regedit. The RTTConfig tool should now be able to find the rttclient.ini file. For more information about this file and RTTRemote, please refer to the video tutorial linked here. Run the RTTConfig tool. Click the Display button. The X, Y, W, and H parameters in the RTTConfig tool correspond to those in the rttclient.ini file. In this example, clicking the MFD-L button allows for editing of the MFD left parameters. Left-click and drag to change the size of the window. Right-click and hold in the center to move the window location. It is the same process to edit any display you'd like. When you're done editing the size and position of your displays, click the Save button. This will update the values in the rttclient.ini file. To finish, click the Close button and choose Quit. If this video was helpful to you, please strike a like and let me know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching.